loves, welcome to Unique Makes by Christina. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Today I have a scrapbooking made simple haul to share with you. Stacy, who is the owner of Scrapbooking Made Simple, had a warehouse sale in June, and the orders are now trickling in. And this is another order that I received. But yeah, let's go ahead and get into this and check out all the goodies. Okay, the first thing I want to show you is the half pearls, and this is the gray. Look at that, how cute is that? And I believe these were like 90 cents each. And then the next one I have here is the orange. You could tell I was thinking about Halloween. And she will have another sale, I believe in December, is what she was saying. But I will put the info in my community tab when she does have it. The next one is the blue. How gorgeous is that? Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. And then I also have the green one. Which is nice because I don't have barely any of those. And what's funny is that they had a lot of different colors, but it's first come, first serve basically. So whoever checks out first gets the product. And they don't have, sometimes they might have one or two, sometimes they might have more than that. So when you do her sale, you do have, if it's something that you really want, you have to buy it right ASAP. Because I did have a lot more in my cart, but they were sold out after. And so yeah, I was able to get those. So the next one is from pearls, and these are also the grayish color. How pretty is that? Look at that. Real nice. Love it, love it. I did get some sprinklets. Now this one also had a lot of them and it sold out, but I was able to at least get this one. It has a pink and white, almost like a peppermint. And then I did get a doodads, which is like the Halloween colors, the orange with black. Look at that. Real pretty. Real nice. Love it. And I got the purple one. That was great for making your own sequence mix, which is what I kind of do with that. I did also get these. They're Christmas with the silver gold snowflakes, and they do have little pearls in them. How pretty is that? Another thing I got some jewels. I did get the yellow. And orange, and neon orange. And also like a silver. These are actually real nice. I should have got more than that, but yeah. I got that one. So I also got some dies with this order, and these are Gemini dies. So the first one is sentiment, and this is a main sentiment here, and then you do have little that you could add. And I believe this was like a, I thought they had a daughter, yeah, daughter, friend, sister, and mother. So it'll have the sentiment here, and you could add one of these three on there. And these weren't bad prices. This sale was amazing. This was the first time I went and did the sale, so I will be doing this again in December. The next one here is two sentiments. One says, "With love, always, and all my love." Yeah. How nice is that? The next one from Gemini says, "Happy Mother's Day." Yeah. And then this sentiment here says celebrate. Real nice. I do love it. Love, love, love. And then the last thing I want to show you is some dies that I was able to get. This one is like a vintage clock. That one. And this is from Woodware. That one. And another vintage one, which is a key with a nice little background. How pretty is that? And then I also snagged up some sentiments here. Now these don't have any dies with it, but they're easily fussy cut. This is a Christmas version, yeah. This is a Christmas version. Now, this is amazing, amazing. And then the last thing I have here is another sentiment dies. Does this have a name on there? No, but I also got that one. Real nice. Now, like I said, I ran into Simply Scrapbooking made simple like a few months ago, and I check out her site all the time because she not only have this warehouse sale, but she also have sales every week. So I will have all her info below, and if you stop by, to let her know that I sent you over there. And yeah, this was a great little sale. I think I have one more package coming in, I believe, that I saw recently. Maybe one or two, but yeah, I got a few more coming in. But yeah, let me know if you went to the sale or you bought anything from the sale. Like I said, this was my first time, and I love it. This is a sale to go to, and stuff. And the sale is between 50 to 90% off on stuff, so you do get a good bargain for your money. Just remember, it's first come first check out. So if it's something you really want, grab it, check out, grab it, check out, because it goes by quick. And yeah, with that, make sure you like the video, subscribe if you haven't. I sure love to have you. Hit the notification so you know when I upload a new video. And with that, you have a blessed day. Bye bye.